quilters and fellow fabric lovers. Here we are again at a Craft Alive in Toowoomba. Big 4-day show, Brett. How are you today?
Yeah, 4 days exhausted after day one,
Yes.
but we're really starting to increase the
pumping it up,
energy.
aren't we? Yeah.
Absolutely. Heaps of classes on the go.
Yes.
Remember, we're in Queensland, so the doors open a little bit earlier. 9
Yes.
o'clock the doors open.
Very soon.
Very soon. Pre-purchase your tickets online and save. I've got some work to do.
Multi-days?
Oh, multi-days, yeah. Pick up a multi-day. It's a way
Yes.
to save.
Yes.
And that way you can book into classes right throughout the
You
weekend.
can get to see all of us.
I'm going to go. You've got a big queue
I've got
of
a big queue.
exhibitors.
We've got
okay?
lots of exhibitors
We'll see you all
here.
soon.
Let's get
all
this
right?
going. Come on in. We've got
Marsha,
Yes.
close to my heart. Stand 127 and
Yes.
126. We have a free make and take. We have this beautiful card kit for you to make in our class at 12:30 each day, or you can buy it as a take-home kit. We also have another card kit in
Yes.
sunflowers.
wonderful. All right. Thanks, Masha.
Thank
Off
you.
you go. Next one, we got Kylie.
From Little Mood
Yay!
Designs. How are you?
Good.
I've got tassel making workshops, I've got key fob kits, I've got my book on special for
Yes.
Craft Alive, and lots of bag making supplies.
Stand number.
1314.
Thank you. Come on in. We got Colleen. How are you?
Well, thank you. Hi, everyone. Colleen from Cobar Quilt Shop, stand number 90, and we have a little demo on the Creative Grids rulers this morning at 10:30 and the Shape Cut Plus at 12:30.
Wonderful.
And chenilling at 2:30.
2:30.
Bye.
Here we go. Make sure you get all these workshops, guys. Come on in.
Helen from Just Country Crafts. We've got our cherish pillow and the kit to go with it. We've got chats at 10:30 and 2 o'clock.
Beautiful.
And you find us on site 118.
Wonderful. 118. Come on in.
G'day, it's Quinton from Scrapbook Fantasy. So we've got a huge range of scrapbooking products on store today, and also we're doing a make and take for $6 of Boom Gel Dirty Pull.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Come on in and see them. Hey, Robin, how are you?
Kay.
Kay, sorry. I get so many. I make so many. Okay.
Stall 100, we've got the wonderful Yazzie bags. And at 11:30,
Yes.
we've got a craft chat.
Wonderful.
Some decorations for your bags.
Oh,
Thank
decorate
you.
the bags. Great idea. Hello, how are we, Michelle?
Hi Narelle, Michelle from Snazzy Scrappin'. Got lots of great new products
Yes.
from all different companies, so come and see me right up the back. Don't know what stand I am.
That's all right. You'll find it opposite the cafe. Come on in. How are we, Jenny?
Good, thank
That's
you.
good.
Hi, I'm Jenny from Black Blossom Fabrics in Tea Gardens. And we're selling these kits for $150, the whole thing,
Yes.
called Citrus Stars. We're also doing a talk on lead lighting with fabric.
Wonderful. Come and
Okay,
see Jenny at
thank
Black
you.
Blossom. Thank you. How are you?
Good. I'm Barbie from Daisy Chain Scrapbook, stand 110. We've got lots of kits. We've got great show specials. Come see us.
Come see him. Come on in. How are you?
Good morning, Sophie here from scrapmats.com.
Yes.
We're in the first, as you walk in the door right in front, stand number 50. We've got some beautiful classes today, some Australian cards, some Aussie cards, some mail cards, and also some Christmas cards. So
Come and see
join
him.
us.
Make some Christmas cards. It's getting
great
close, guys. Yep.
Hi Narelle.
Robin.
Cascade House
Yes.
Embroidery.
Yeah.
Embroiderers, guild ladies,
Yes.
come and visit us.
Yes.
We're in the second aisle. You won't miss
You
it.
won't miss us. No, you're
No.
behind me. Off you go, sweetie. Hey, Peggy, how are you?
All right.
That's
Hi,
good.
I'm Peggy from Pauline's Quilters World. I'll be doing classes all day on Quilt as you go and free motion quilting, so pop in and see us. We're in the second aisle.
Second aisle. Come and see them. Thank
Bye.
you. Come on in, ladies. How are we this morning? There we go.
Hi, I'm Jan from So Handy, your local business in Toowoomba. This is Kathy from Genomi, the Genomi rep. She's here to advertise our machines today.
Wonderful.
And we'll also have the go-cutters.
Oh, go cutters. Great one. Okay. Yeah. Wonderful. See you later. And how are we this morning, Doug?
Great.
That's good.
We, Crystals and More, we specialise in hot fix crystals,
Yes.
all different qualities, gorgeous, and Japanese meshwork. Class running this afternoon at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Come and see
Bye.
you. Hello. How are you this morning, Val?
Good.
Good.
So I'm Val from Kazaz. I'm your local Toowoomba representative.
Give me one of those. Yep. We'll go like this.
Running a Christmas card workshop this morning at 11 a.m. 3 different sort of Christmas cards. Hope to see you there.
Yeah, come on in.
$15.
11 o'clock. Let's
Thank
go.
you.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
That's good.
Sharon from the Crafty chain. We have two stands, 74 and 81. We have classes running all day, and anyone that comes in today will get, any purchase, they'll get a free gift.
Look at that. There we go. Wonderful. Thank you. Hey, how are you
Morning,
going?
Narelle.
Oh, I get one of these. Look.
We've brought with us Katrina from Whispers of the Valley with
Yes.
my little friends of Australiana. We have fabric, lots of Australiana, lots of fabric.
Wonderful. Come and see.
Thank
And you're the
you.
first one as you walk in the door.
Yeah, I'm first.
Yes. Hey, Julie, how are you?
Narelle, how are you going? You can hold that one.
Yes.
So I'm Julie Hall from Julie Hall Designs, and this weekend I'm showing some beautiful machine embroidery designs, as well as how to do continuous quilting
with your embroidery machine.
Wonderful.
Come and see us at stand 102.
102.
Thank you.
Julie, hello, how are you this morning?
Thank you.
That's good.
This is Cheryl from All Things Wonderful. Come and get your Christmas wreath.
Look at these. Amazing.
Oh, the scarecrow.
Scarecrow.
Scarecrow, but
Yep.
not here.
That's all right. No, you've got classes running and you'll stand
53, 54.
Wonderful. Come and see them.
Thank you.
Actually next to me. So there you go. Come on in. Oh, I get to hold that. Oh.
Good morning, crafters. It's Melissa Arnold from Creative Memories Australia. We have a cute little songbird punch just released. Come and do a make and take for free.
Yes.
And we have a new Rolls Royce trimmer. You'll
Wonderful.
love it.
Oh, great.
Stand 114, 115.
114, 15. Come and see them.
Bye.
Come on in. How are you?
Hi, I'm Teresa from the Craft Attic, and
Yep.
I do cross stitch and specialising in Australiana kits.
Wonderful. Thank you. Well, stand number
85.
85. Let's go. Hey, Cass, how you
Hello,
going?
How are you
Give me this
today?
one. Good, thank
Yes.
you.
I'm Cassandra from Every Sewer Needs. I'm at site 17. When you walk in the door, I am straight ahead at the wall. Gorgeous little tins, the lights for your hoops, the needles for your embroidery, your hoops, your scissors, and gorgeous
Every
stainless
sewer
gold.
needs stuff. Come and
I've got
see
Every
Cass.
Sewer Needs.
Thank you. Hey, Doug, how are we? Here's Demo
Good.
Doug.
Hi, I'm Demo Doug from
Give me
Catch Your
something. Oh, there you
Crafts. And today's die of the day is half price, $9.
Yep.
Aussie Bush.
There we go.
And we're down on stand 123.
123.
Thank you.
Come and see
Bye.
him. Yay. Come on in. Anne.
I'm
Yes.
Anne,
Yes. Yes. Where are you from?
I'm Anne from Genesis Creations.
Yes.
And I'm teaching fabric design at the craft show. Come and do some free workshops with us. Stand 33 and 34 will show all sorts of things besides the free workshops.
Besides the free workshops. Come and see them. Hey, how are you?
Hi, good.
That's good.
Nick from Barbird Fabrics, bringing you a whole range of batik fabric, Balinese batik fabric.
Wonderful, yes.
A range of pre-cuts, kits.
Love our
off the bolt.
pre-cuts. Yes.
Great.
And you're at
come
stand
see us
number?
at stand 63.
63. Come and see them. Thank you. Hey, how are you? Becky's place. So is it Becky?
It's Becky.
It's
Hello.
Becky.
Hello, everybody.
How are
Welcome-
you?
Good. Welcome to Toowoomba.
Yes.
I'm selling, these are matching stamps and dies.
There you go.
I'm stand 82.
82,
Today, yes,
yes.
and we're doing all day demonstrations on stamping,
Come
colouring,
and see them.
all things card making.
Yeah, great.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. See you
Oh,
later.
sorry.
That's okay. You went the wrong way. That's all right. We always have one. Oh, look, we got House of Jackson here. That's all right. How are we?
Good, thanks.
That's good.
I'm doing 2 classes today, well 3.
Yes.
So there's the Bird's Nest Bowl
Yep.
at 9:30 and 2 o'clock, and then there's the Improv Sampler at 11 o'clock.
There we go. Thanks, Jackson. Got it?
Yeah, I got
There we go. Hands.
Good
no
morning.
talking too long, okay?
No.
Right.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hans Martini stand number 12. We got long arm machines. We got frames with domestic machines. We got frames. We got through cut gadgets. We got a class at 10 o'clock. We got a class at 12 o'clock with rotary cutters, with rulers. With
Yeah,
all
you've got
different
lots of
kind of
stuff.
gadgets. We
Yeah.
got Lizzie doing classes.
Lizzie
we got,
Allen's here with
we
them,
got
yes.
Jenny doing classes.
Jenny's
Norel
doing
is doing helping me out in
Yeah,
Queensland.
yeah.
Am I talking too long now?
Yeah, see ya.
The Eels are playing tomorrow.
Yeah,
thank you.
okay, all right. No worries. That's it. Guys, there is so many other exhibitors here as well. They just haven't lined up, but that's okay. Come and see us. We've got lots and lots of stands, lots and lots of workshops. So come and see us here at Craft Alive Toowoomba, 9 till 4 for the next 3 days. Get a multi-day pass. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel. Watch my videos from past. We've got some cool Topia ones on there as well. So subscribe, watch. Don't forget to click, and happy sewing.